Alarm. Today our lecture is about simulation of stoichiometric reactor by using Aspen Plus. Today we find the following. The objectives of our simulations are calculate the reactor effluent flow rate and composition based on 80% fractional conversion of benzene, and the second task is to calculate the heat of reaction at 25 degrees C and 1 atm pressure by choosing benzene as reference component. If we take first task, the reactor effluent flow rate and composition based on 80% fractional conversion of benzene chlorination reaction to give us these two products in the stoichiometric reactors. The models, the fractional conversion X of a reactant A, the formula is XA is equal to moles inlet minus moles outlet divided by moles. Then we calculate fractional conversion 80% of benzene. So using these stoichiometric equations, the models determine the flow rates of all the species leaving the stoichiometric. So we have feed conditions. Temperature is 343 Kelvin, pressure is 1 atm, molar flow rate in kilomole per hour, total molar flow rate is 100, and mole fractions are of benzene 0.5 and chlorine 0.5 by using Ping-Robinson methods. So the specifications of a reactor is fractional conversion 80% of a benzene at pressure 1 atm and temperature 343 Kelvin. So now we move toward our simulation. Now we do our simulation of a stoichiometric reactor. Click on new, click on specialty chemicals with metric units. So we know about our components. We have components benzene, chlorine, chlorobenzene, hydrogen, chloride. So add these four components: benzene C6, H6, okay, Cl2, C6, H5, Cl, HCl. Then click on next. So binary interactions are not available between these components. So we find binary interactions by clicking on estimate Unific method and click on run. So binary interaction between these components are available. So choosing methods for these components, we know we also specified Ping-Robinson method for these components. So click on Ping-Robinson method and click on run. So see and tab results are available. No errors are occurred. So we go to simulation environment, and under a tab we click on reactors. We take a stoichiometric reactor, then resize it and rename it our stoichiometric reactor, and give him an inlet stream and outlet stream. Rename inlet stream is S1. Then specify operating conditions of inlet stream. Double click on inlet stream. Here we put temperature 343 Kelvin, pressure 1 atm, in mole 100 flow rates, and composition of benzene is 0.5 and composition of chlorine is 0.5. Then click on next, and temperature is 343 Kelvin, pressure is 1 atm. Then specify reactions, click on new. Here components we have benzene, reactants benzene and chlorine, and products are chlorine benzene, chlorobenzene, and hydrogen chloride. Coefficients -1 because they are consumed, and coefficients of product +1 and +1. So here as we know we require 80%. We require 80% fractional conversion of benzene. So here we take the fractional conversion 0.8 of component benzene. So see it shows us a blue mark. So click on next. At our second task at heat of reaction, we required heat of reaction. So we required report calculate of heat reactions. So click on heat reactions report, click on our components of benzene. So at 298 Kelvin, pressure 1 atm. So click on run. We go our main flow sheet, we see results. So summary: outlet temperature is 69.85 degrees Celsius, outlet pressure is 1 atm, heat duty, net heat duty, vapor fractions, balance values are available, mole mass, enthalpy, phase equilibrium values are available of these four components. Reactions, reaction value is available. So go on main flow sheet and see the some stream results. Here we have molar flow, flow reaction, enthalpy, density, etc. Mole flows. Okay, we know we required 80% fractional conversion of benzene, number of moles benzene in minus number of moles benzene out divided by a number of moles of benzene in. So our task is complete. Today we do work about simulation of stoichiometric reactor by using Aspen Plus